Hello, today we will guide you through how to send encrypted email in Gmail. To get started, open Gmail and head to your inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Click the Compose button to open a new message window. Add your recipient, a clear subject line, and begin writing your message as you normally would. If you plan to include attachments, you can add them now or after you turn on protection. The setting you're about to enable will cover attachments as well. Next, enable Gmail's confidential mode, which adds an extra layer of protection by limiting what recipients can do with your message. In the Compose window, look along the bottom toolbar for the icon that looks like a lock with a clock. Select it to open the confidential mode settings. Here you'll choose how long the message should remain accessible. Open the expiration menu and pick the time period that fits your needs. Options range from short windows to longer ones. The choice you make determines when Gmail will automatically revoke access to the message and its attachments. It helps to match the expiration to the sensitivity of the content. For time-sensitive information, choose a shorter window so it isn't available longer than necessary. If the message is more general but still private, a longer duration may be appropriate. Consider letting your recipient know to read the email before it expires, especially if they're in a different time zone. When confidential mode is turned on, Gmail also restricts certain actions to reduce accidental sharing. Recipients won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download the content. This is useful for keeping private details from spreading unintentionally. Still, remember that no protection can prevent someone from taking a screenshot or photo, so always share sensitive information with trusted contacts and keep the message concise and clear. After selecting the expiration period, confirm your choice by clicking Save. You'll see a brief notice in the Compose window showing that confidential mode is active and indicating the expiration you set. At this point, you can continue editing your email, attach any remaining files, and review the details. If you need to change the expiration, simply reopen the same icon and adjust the setting. Once everything looks good, send your email as you normally would. Your recipient will receive the message with the protections you selected, and access will automatically expire at the time you chose. That's all it takes to add strong, simple protection to your Gmail messages using confidential mode.